Hey guys, we were in New Jersey and we decided to try UMI Hotspot Sushi and Seafood Buffet. Come on and join us while I give you a little taste, show, stuff. Stop now. Guys, I got some pineapple rice right here. Sorry I couldn't get the full inside for you guys, at least you get to see me eat. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go into the squid. What's that? I got squid. I'm gonna try this. I've never tried this before. It's not bad. It tastes like all the other seafood. It tastes like all the other seafood, but it's a little more squishy. Now I'm gonna try sesame ball. I never had this before.
What is that?
I don't know what is wrong.
What is that? Sweet or salt?
Sweet.
Yep, it was.
I don't know anymore. Oh, that's not bad. You want to try it? See what it tastes like. Sweet. Ooh. I feel like it's like egg yolk.
What is it called?
Delicious. I think I need a spoon. I want to try it first.
Oh, this is what I'm saying.
I don't know what this white sauce is. Hopefully you guys stuck around because I forgot the most important part. They had boba. It was basically all you could drink. And I didn't record it, I know. Damn. But that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.